Good morning, everyone. So today is Tuesday, March 1, 2022. Okay. So first of all, I would like to apologize from all of you for being not so regular, but I will try my best to be regular. Okay. So moving on to the news. So this is a front page and first heading: Fighting in Ukraine must stop, said the UN chief. Now in this news, the important thing for us is this one 2015 Minsk agreement. Okay, so you should know what is this Minsk agreement and Google it. Then on the second news, save Indian Union from the divisive forces, said Stalin. MK Stalin is the present CM of Tamil Nadu, and the important thing for us is this name of this book. Okay, Ungalil Urwan. So this is the book written by MK Stalin, and this is the autobiography. Okay, you should know the name of the book. This is important. Next news: GDP to grow at 8.9%. In this news, the important thing for us is first this: what is GDP? What is this gross value added? And you should know the difference between the two. Then also this NSO, National Statistical Office. You should also know about this organization as well. Now this core sector, there are 8 core sector in the economy, so you should know what are these 8 core sectors. Moving on to the next news, this one: IPCC warns of multiple climate hazard. So first of all, you should know what is this IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. So you should Google this and have note down few important thing about this body. Now this body released some report, and it has evaluated the impact of climate change on the country and the world. Okay, so there is a term, this wet bulb temperature. So you should know what is this wet bulb temperature, right? Something more is given on this, like on page number 10 as well, about this IPCC report. Okay, so page number 2 is not useful for us. Page number 3 also not useful. Page number 4, nothing useful. Page number 5, skip it. Moving on to page number 6. So this is about the state news. Here also there is nothing important. Okay. So moving on to page number 7. On page number 7 is also there is nothing important. Page number 8, which is the editorial page. So the first article is counting the cost. So in this article, the impact of Russia-Ukraine war is discussed, and very nicely written article, and you can read it and note down some important point, right? This article, debunking Russia's international law jurisdiction. This is not very important article, I think, but if you want, you can read it as well. Next is this Ukraine situation, India's national interest. Now this article is written by Mr. Subramaniam Swamy. He is a leader of BJP, but Mr. Swamy is known for having his honest opinion on the matters, right? So this also article is also very good, and he analyzed overall the war, okay, and also what kind of views India can have on this war. So you can read this article. Moving on to the next page, this one: the silver line is not a vanity project. Now this is specifically related to a railway project in the Kerala, and this is not important for us, so you can skip this article. On the other hand, this one reporting cyber attacks. Now this cyber security is one of the topic in GS paper 3. So you can read this article. I think you will get something important from this article as well. The flag bearers of nationalism. This is not important. You can skip this article. Moving on to the next page. Page number 10. India will send humanitarian assistance to Ukraine, says Ministry of External Affairs. Now in this article, the important thing for us is this one, Operation Ganga. Okay, so the evacuation which is done by the Indian government is named as Operation Ganga. You should know this name of this operation, right? Okay, so rest of the things moving here. Yeah, right. This IPCC warns of multiple climate change. Now this is from the page number 1. Okay, so here they have given some important data and facts related to India. Okay, for example, India intend to have net zero emission by the year 2017. By 2030, India will have 50% of its energy from the renewable sources, right? So these kind of data you should know. This is important. So this is also one important thing that you should know. These kind of facts are important while you are writing the answers. Okay, here also they have discussed the impact of climate change, so you can also get some good point and use them in your answer writing. Rest of the things are not important on this page. Moving on to the next page, that is page of election. So also on this page nothing important. Okay, moving on to the next page, this page number 12. Quad grouping is a diplomatic arrangement, said US commander. Okay, so Quad is always in news. So if you don't know what is Quad, please Google it and note down. So very important organization, or you can say body. Next, adopt Gati Shakti. Modi tells state, private sector. Now this Gati Shakti program of the government. Okay, so you should note down what is this Gati Shakti program, right? And also there is term unified logistic interface platform. You should also Google this thing, unified logistic interface platform, and note down what is this thing. Okay, so you can put this news under your this government section, government schemes. Okay, so you should have one section called government scheme in your current affairs register, and there you should note these kind of things. Moving ahead, this is not important, nothing important here. So next is the world news. On the world page, the news which is important for us is this one: Turkey may block access to Russian warship. Now in this news, the important thing for us is this, the passage. Okay, so there are straits, Dardanelles, this is Dardanelles, and this is Bosphorus straits. Okay, so you should know about them, right? So in geography they can be asked in prelims basically. And also this 1936 Montreux Convention, this is also important, so you should know about it. Montreux Convention. Turkey is also a member of NATO country, so you should also know about the name of NATO countries, because this is news and can be asked in the prelims as well. Next is diplomats reconvene for Iran nuclear talks. Now this nuclear accord, or Tehran's 2015 nuclear accord, this has been in news for a long time, and it is going to be in news in the coming days as well. So you should know what are the countries which are member to this agreement and what is this agreement. This agreement is also known as Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Okay, so this is basically to stop the Iran from making the nuclear weapons. So you should know about this agreement. Moving on to the page number 14, that is business news. Again, core sector. Okay, so 8 core sector you should know, very important. Fiscal deficit stood at 58.9% of target in January. So what is this FD or fiscal deficit. Here the definition is given. You should note down this thing. Moving on to the next news. Bush named SEBI's first women chiefs. Now this Madhavi Puri Bush. You should know such kind of appointment. Okay, important for other prelims. And also this SEBI and what is its function. You should know about them as well. Biocon arm to acquire Beatrice biosimilars. Now you should know this term biosimilars. What are biosimilars? What is their function? You should know. Okay, so Google it. Next is Russia plays in restricted cover list and amid conflict ECGC. Now, what is this Export Credit Guarantee Corporation ECGC? You should Google it and note down what is this organization. Here there are two terms: restricted cover category and open category. You should know the difference between the two. There is nothing important here. On sports page also there is nothing important, so you can skip the sports pages. Moving on to next is this text and context pages. On this page, this land protest over Deocha Pachami coal block. You should know about this Deocha Pachami coal block. It is one of the largest coal block in India, so you should know. And the protest is going on there, okay, in the West Bengal. So you should know about Deocha Pachami coal block and what are the issues. This news you can skip. This is about the Bangladesh, so you can skip this one. Rest of the things are not important. Okay, so this is all about the day. Thank you.